is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Time for the lightning round. Rodney in Georgia. Rodney.
Hey, Jim. Hey, first-time caller, Crowd Club member of about 4 months. So thank you so much for helping all the foodies out.
Thank you, buddy.
Hey, got a question about Equitrans midstream.
Equitrans, very solid. Good growth, good yield. I like their profile. And that group rating is very hot. I also like Energy Transfer and Enterprise Product. Let's go to Michael in Tennessee. Michael.
Jimmy Chill.
Yo, man.
From Las Vegas.
Yo, what's going on?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I would like your thoughts on the quantum computing company, ticker symbol IONQ.
Oh, I know. People want to own quantum, and it is a way to play quantum, just like you have these uranium companies, a way to play uranium. I don't think it holds up under close scrutiny. It's a company that's losing money. I say Ixnay, IONQ nay. Let's go to George in Pennsylvania. George.
Booyah, Jim. How you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Good. Wanted to wish you, your family, and your staff a very happy, healthy 2024. And
thank you.
Let's go Birds.
Well, yeah, absolutely. And same to your family. What's going on?
I was thinking about building a position in KTOS, Kratos Defense and Security
I think
Solutions.
it's good, but let me tell you, I was talking with Jeff Marks today. We're watching this RTX starting to sneak up. I saw some good news about Northrop, and let's never forget AVAV, because, man, when you talk about drones, and did we ever have a bid on that company? For a long time, AeroVironment, we've been liking it. Ever since I was able to use it in the parking lot, another place I used to work called Englewood Cliffs. Let's go to Dave in Virginia. Dave.
Hi, Jim. Dave Miller from Richmond, Virginia. How are you?
I love Richmond. Chaco Slip. Give me something. Tell me something I don't know.
Wahoo Wah. Wahoo Wah, 1 hour up the road. Hey,
okay.
Jim, a couple of years ago, I bought my stock, listening to it here on this segment, researched it, did my homework, basis in the upper 30s, traded up to 47 last summer. Now it's taken a pretty big hit on both earnings and a downgrade by Baird today. It's Borg Warner BWA.
You can't sell that thing down here. You can't sell that down. Yeah, look, I was watching Phil LeBeau all day. People are selling a lot of cars, particularly the hybrids. I am more of a buyer, and I'm going to throw in another. I'm throw in Magna, MGA. I like both of them. You stay long. Don't get discouraged. Let's go to Anthony in Pennsylvania. Anthony.
Hey, Jim, how you doing tonight?
I am having a good time. How about you?
Good. Happy New Year to you.
Oh, yeah.
And go Eagles.
Go Birds. What can I say? They're still playing.
Hey, I want to thank you for everything you do that levels the playing field for us small guys.
Thank you.
I'll give you the best compliment I could think of.
No, that's great. I mean, that's what it's about. I mean, thank you so much. Thank you for saying
well,
it. How can I help you?
That compliment is you're the ultimate fiduciary for the regular guy.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Love the soundboard, too. Listen, I want to and see if they could ever attain their old value.
You know, I think that's going to be hard, Anthony. I really do. I think that I'm not saying the best days are behind them, because that's what the Wall Street guys say. I just don't think you're going to get a lot of mojo out of that thing. I mean, I just think that if you really want to own a company that's going to be levered to mortgage rates, I mean, well, there's better plays. What can I say? I don't want to be in Lendingtree. I'll tell you the truth. I'd rather be in Toll Brothers. That's levered to mortgage rates. Toll Brothers is very good, by the way. Let's go to Ernest in North Carolina. Ernest.
Yes. Hey, Jim. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. How about you, Ernest?
I cannot complain. Look, I follow the market a little bit. I haven't jumped in the pool and started investing yet, but Longboard caught my attention yesterday, and they were trading at about $6 a couple of weeks ago. Is that good for a solid investment long-term with short-term returns?
I think, they announced a study, good top-line data from a study they did. My inclination is to think that we just have to say we missed the Longboard Pharma move. Because when I see a parabolic move like that, I know I am not early. But I thank you for the call. Hey, let's take another. I want to go to Alyssa in Florida, please. Alyssa.
Hey there. We love you from St. Petersburg.
I love St. Petersburg. Holy cow, it never rains there. It's always sunny in St. Petersburg, not Philly.
My question is, does Jabil still have legs on it, or has it run its course?
You know, they had a not great quarter, and the stock didn't go down. When I see that kind of activity, it kind of piques my interest. I'd be a buyer, not a seller of Jabil. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
Coming up, trimming is such sweet sorrow, but focus on the sweet. Nobody ever got hurt talking a profit. Cramer explains next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.